Hey guys, today we are going to unbox Meizu 17. Now going to the specification, the Meizu 17 comes with a 6.60-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels at a pixel density of 390 pixels per inch, and an aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9. Meizu 17 is powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. It comes with 8 GB of RAM. The Meizu 17 runs Android 10 and is powered by a 4500 mAh non-removable battery. The Meizu 17 supports Quick Charge 3.0 fast charging. Meizu 17 based on Android 10 and packs 128 GB of inbuilt storage. The Meizu 17 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. The Meizu 17 measures 160.00 by 77.20 by 8.50 mm, height x width x thickness, and weighs 199.00 grams. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Meizu 17 on the rear packs a 64-megapixel primary camera with an f/1.8 aperture and a pixel size of 0.8. A second 12-megapixel camera with an f/1.9 aperture and a pixel size of 1.4 micron, a third 8-megapixel camera with an f/2.2 aperture and a pixel size of 1.12, and a fourth 5-megapixel camera with an f/1.9 aperture and a pixel size of 1.12 micron. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It sports a 20-megapixel camera on the front for selfies, with an f/2.2 aperture and a pixel size of 0.8. Thanks for watching the video guys.